Every day, drones are improving lives, optimizing operations, and transforming societies. But a small portion of operators are causing chaos, endangering lives, and posing a threat to safety and national security. Traditional counter-UAS solutions are often not suitable as the sole component of a counter-UAS strategy. They can interfere with communications and authorized drones and cause collateral damage or even fail to detect the threat. D-Fend Solutions focuses on the real threat: dangerous drones that can carry heavy payloads, travel long distances, and are readily accessible. EnforceAir, D-Fend Solutions' flagship counter-drone solution, protects military, public safety, airport, border, VIP, prison, major event, and critical infrastructure environments. It has been deployed hundreds of times worldwide. EnforceAir features radio frequency cyber takeover technology. It automatically detects, locates, and identifies rogue drones and their pilots, and then mitigates the drone. EnforceAir is set up quickly. The hardware is compact and can be rapidly disassembled, moved, and reassembled for operational flexibility. As soon as rogue drones enter the protected area, they are detected and an alert is immediately activated. Their unique communication identifiers are extracted and the takeoff location is discovered. EnforceAir's unique takeover technology automatically takes control and operators lose their communication signals. They cannot control their drones or renew contact. Authorized drones in the area are unaffected. The rogue drones are sent along their designated route, ending in a safe landing. A safe outcome is achieved without disrupting the continuity of communications, commerce, transportation, or everyday life. D-Fend Solutions constantly develops new capabilities to always stay a drone threat ahead.